Assalamu alaikum. Greetings everyone. So I'd like today to show you the solution of one of interesting problems, and it is from YOS examination, which was asked to solve by one of my pupils from Contact International School. So also I dedicate this example, the solution of examples, to my students, especially to my best student Farvardin. So it is the subject of this problem is composite function. Let me repeat once again and refresh your knowledges about composite functions, and then show you the solution of this problem. Are you agree? In this case, let's go, be with me until the end. As you remember, my friends, a composite function is a combination of two functions. You apply one function to the result of another. So a composite function applies one function to the result of another and is defined as f of h of x. Also, we may write it in this case f of h of x. Here f of x one function, also h of x another function. So we must solve this example. It is from YOS examination. So as you know, YOS is entrance examination to the University of Turkey. In order to solve this example, let's solve another easier example first and try to apply our knowledges to the more difficult example. Okay? Are you agree? So please pay your attention. So this example, first example, look, f of x equals to 5 minus 3 times x, and g of x equal to x squared minus 4. We have to find f of g of 3. So as you may know that in order to solve this, we may use two methods. So example number 1, let us see the first method. So f of g of x equals to, if you look, f of x equals to 5 minus 3x, yes? But instead of x, you have to put g of x. So you make g of x as argument. So, or if we put its definition g of x to this place, so we have 5 minus 3 times to x squared minus 4, which equals, so minus 3 times minus 4 plus 12 and plus 5 17 minus 3x squared. And then we find f of g of 3. So instead of x, now you put 3. So you have 17 minus 3 square. So you have 17 minus 27 and is equal to minus 10. It is the first method. Another method which I like more, method is in this case. So first you have to find g of 3. G of 3 equals to, you put instead of x 3 square minus 4. So it is equals to 3 square 9 minus 4 5. And then you find f of g of 3, which equals to f of 5. because g of 3 is equals to what? To 5. So you have 5 minus 3 times 5, which is equals to 10. Now we have to apply method number 2, the second method, in order to solve this example. Let's do. Okay, let's go. So we have h 3 to the minus x power plus 3 to the x power equals to 9 to the minus x power plus 9 to the x power minus 2. And let me first write this example in other way. So I may write it in this case 3 to the minus x power plus 3 to x power square minus 4. And if I, for example, apply to 3 to minus x plus 3x power with any number, for example t, so I have h of t equals to t square minus 4. Or also it from here I can conclude that h of x is equal to x square minus 4. Now from here I find h of minus 4. H of minus what? Minus 4. I have minus 4 square minus 4. So I have 16 minus 4, 12. Now we have, according to the second method, we have to find f of 12. In order to find f of 12, we have to equal this one, x cubed plus 4 to 12. And from here I find x. X cubed equals to 8 and x equals to what? To 2. So I have f of 12 equals to 1 minus 4. Instead of x, now I put what? 2 times 2. So I have 1 minus 8, which equals to minus 7. Minus 7. So this is the correct answer for this example. So we can conclude that f of h of minus 4 equals to minus 7. That's all. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and be with me. See you soon. Goodbye.